Planting a garden is believing in the future. The main focus of my business right now is the design and selling of garden boxes and gardening advice, for which I've got plenty of. It's not always well-founded, but it's well-intended. I'm a woodworker by trade. I've been doing woodworking for over 35 years. I guess about 5 years ago, I wanted to make us some garden boxes. When I hit 61, I found myself out of work because I've got a very bad lower back and very arthritic knees and feet. I decided, well, this might be a good time to see how well the garden boxes would take off. I saw a need for people that had, say, limited space to grow things. People that don't have the big yards in order to put in big gardens. That was the market that I was looking at. So my product lines have been designed specifically for those people. Because of my disabilities, the self-employment program was actually able to help me out with a small loan through the Persons with Disabilities Fund. That got me kickstarted with being able to buy my initial supply of inventory. It helped me with developing some infrastructure within my shop that I desperately needed. And it just took that worry off of the table for me. Not only did they give me the tools that I needed to continue forward, but they believed in what I was doing. And I can't overstress how critical it is to have people believe in you.